How you doing? Hey, all right, we are moved in. Still in boxes. It's only been 2 days, don't judge. But I still have work to do. So I have taped up the kitchen that goes to the dining room, completely sealed off. I don't know if it's airtight, but it better be dust tight because she's gonna kill me if it's not. So I still have to sand a little bit up here and sand a little bit over here. And then since I used a paintbrush on these, it came on super thick. I didn't spray it like I was gonna. So for this section, I had to sand it down, and I still need to tape plastic off the mainway and the downstairs. I feel like I'm going to close myself in, and that's okay. I got plenty of plastic. I bought a box of, I don't know, 140 feet. I've probably used maybe 30. So, here goes. It's sanding time. Woo!